Okay. So CPMAI is for all industries. What does that mean? Before I even talk about it, is AI really for all industries? Anytime I talk about AI, the first thing is AI is about technology. I have to learn AI, I have to learn technology, I have to learn programming. No. AI is something, yes, I mean, I'm not saying that AI doesn't require programming. I'm saying as a project manager, you don't need to know programming. You are delivering results. You're using AI to deliver results. So you should have good idea about how AI can be used to develop models. You have to have a good idea is what exactly do you want, and you can have teams that know programming, teams that are technical. It is something, okay. Let us say I'm doing interior for my home. I'm doing interior for my home, so I'm doing some new furniture. I'm changing my kitchen layout and all of that. I need some carpenters. I need some masons. Does that mean that I need to know carpentry? No, I need to know exactly what I want. Carpenters are technical people. They will know their work very well. So I need to know how to explain to them or how to let them know what exactly I'm looking for. AI projects are the same things. You don't really need to be a technical person. Having said that, which industries use AI? First of all, if I talk about AI, do you use AI in day-to-day life? If that's a question, anyone wants to say no, can you please raise your hand? You don't use AI in day-to-day life. You have to use AI in day-to-day life in many different situations. If you are going to Amazon recommends you, this is what perhaps you may like to buy. What is that? It's a use of AI for you. It's hyper personalization. Amazon sees, knows who you are, what you usually purchase, and gives you the recommendations. You use WhatsApp, then you also obviously use Gen AI tools like ChatGPT and all. So everyone uses AI, isn't it? In the same spirit, every industry can use AI. Okay, let us see. I have a few examples. Healthcare. There's a platform called Practo. Just one example, okay? Practo. There are many healthcare platforms. In fact, eSanjeevani is the government healthcare platform that uses AI. What does it do? I'm not talking about eSanjeevani or not use. What does the healthcare platform do? It can help you understand your symptoms, and depending on your symptoms, perhaps it can recommend what type of medical practitioner or doctor you should see. Depending on your symptoms, he can guide you there. He can answer your queries. The AI can keep your record. Based on your record, what is currently happening, AI can give you all the history. And AI can work on getting appointment for whatever medical specialist you are looking for. Pharma. Does pharma use AI? Drug discovery project, that's one of the first things that pharma is using. They have sped up many drug discoveries, but what we do not realize is pharma is also using, just like retail industry. Retail, like Amazon, pharma, they're also using AI for supply chain management. So AI is something everyone is using. Finance, fraud detection, manufacturing, predictive maintenance. In your plant, if you have some good judgment about what machines will need maintenance in near future, that's a good idea, isn't it? So AI can do that. Retail, we talked about Amazon and hyper personalization. So retail also uses AI. And if all of these industries, these are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples. So if all the industries are using AI or can use AI to do better, That means they can have AI projects. If somebody can have AI project, if some industry can have AI project, CPMAI can give better results. And once again, what technical skills do you need for learning CPMAI and giving those results, delivering those results? Technical skills you don't need to know anything about. Business situations, the better you understand business situations, the better you will be, the better project manager, AI project manager you will be. And organizational understanding. What is your organization? Exactly what they are looking for. Over a period of time, what is it they want from AI? If you understand that, you will be able to deliver. There's no technical requirement. AI helps achieve business goals. In an industry is planning to grow by a certain rate. So for that goal, AI can help if you have good projects and if you manage them well, of course. So AI helps achieve business goals and not technical goals. AI goals like increase in revenue, I was talking about, reduction in cost, or improving your processes. So this is where CPMAI can help. In other words, anywhere you see an AI project, CPMAI can help.